So today I am going to be upgrading my graphics card.
If this your favorite song, then let me in.
I had been using my graphics card for a while now. I'd say about 2 years. Currently I have an RX Vega. You know, it's still a pretty decent card. However, I did get a new monitor, and I also tend to do future proofing and all that. I'm gonna definitely get something today in terms of graphics card. We'll see what happens. So see you guys later. Okay, so this thing is gigantic, man. Holy crap, look at that. It's like a watermelon. I think this will last me for a good while. I also have good histories with NVIDIA cards. It's nothing special, it's just a graphics card for, you know, my work and all that. I won't be even playing games with this thing, which is, I think some of you guys will probably be really triggered by that, but this is good for rendering and all that. It's no surprising that this thing is probably one of the fastest graphics card you can get right now. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. It's a weird box. Alright, so here's the graphics card again. Oh my god, I don't know how to open a box. Hold on. There you go. There you go. Plain old box. There it is. Wow, look at that. Gosh, I love that smell. Man, that smells fresh. This is a big fat card, actually. Okay, let's go ahead and box this. Oh shit, let's not do that. Fuck. This is my current graphics card. Size is about the same, where I can definitely tell that this is a serious graphics card in comparison to that. Look at that. That looks like a toy now. Wow, look at that. Low resolution. Now, this is a pain in the ass. And I lost the screws. Great. Wow, this is super dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and use a blower for this. I'll be back. It's a lot longer than my RTX 2080, as you can see here. This part over here is just all heat sink. This part is actually the card itself. And this one is like full-on graphics right here. So you can definitely see the difference. Okay, let's go ahead and start it up and hopefully I won't catch on fire. Wow. Okay, blue. Fan spinning. Yep, fan is spinning. Started building computers back in 2015, so that was about 5 years ago. I had like $400 in my pocket. Now that I have one of the highest end graphics card, it's crazy to think how far we came. And you know, all just the hustle and the grinding and all that just came to the point where I could just afford one of these bad boys. I'm telling you guys, if you work hard, you're definitely gonna go somewhere. And I didn't even use unemployment. Yeah, I haven't applied for unemployment because I really don't have an actual job. I've just been hustling, resell, all that, and boom, there you go.
And this is sunk in place. Y'all just simmer down and do your thing and go away. No apologies. I say what I say. You with me, then you with me.